This is Corey, DS Diamond. We're at the sailing vessel Azurro here at the Rudder Club, Jacksonville. We just finished cleaning up to especially look at missing bottom paint in a lot of places on this vessel. We were able to get all the hard growth off and all the soft growth off also along the waterline. But definitely recommend new bottom paint in the near future, to say the least. So this is our post-clean inspection. Here we go. So I tried to point out most of the places that are missing bottom paint, and I also tried to point out a couple of those places are they look like blister repairs that are beginning to fail. So just something to keep in mind. Definitely the bottom